Hey Matt, it's Colin. Thanks for your question. And I gotta tell you, that was the best support ticket I've had all weekend. I love the way you use the video to point it out because it tells me exactly what you're seeing, what your question is, and then we can get right to the meat of the different ways of updating it. Now, what I think is happening here is there may have been a change made, and the library file didn't update. Now, the problem is with Windows computers, which I'm running myself, is when you have an upper or lowercase PNG, Windows doesn't care. It's still going to show that file. But when the file goes up to the server, it's going to make a difference. So basically, let's say you go into your library page and you rename the that logo from a lowercase PNG to an uppercase PNG or vice versa. Well, it may show like it's changed in the page, but Expression Web may not even update it because it thinks it's the same file name. That may be what part of the problem is. So what I would suggest to you is go into your copyright. Just try this. Go into your copyright. There it is right there. Okay. And you see where it says this right here, site graphics. Go into the code view. Rename this to app2apptoto. Give it a number 2 and then change this to PNG. So we're actually changing the file name for a second first. Then you're going to save it, right? Let Expression Web update, then remove the 2. So it's now like this here, okay? Because you see how it was, see how before it was originally in uppercase right here on the copy that I have at least. So you probably went and changed it at some point in time to lowercase PNG. Well, that's great, but Expression Web doesn't know the difference because it thinks that uppercase and lowercase are all the same. So that may be what part of the problem is. So try that trick there. Rename the file to, 2, and then also, make sure this is a lowercase like that, and then go back and then take out the 2 or whatever, and then save it and update it. And then the lowercase should actually stick because Expression Web thinks that it's a different file you were trying to link to.